Hikamlat namta ka ARPS Latkor recommend arjal hulai ka Assam Rifle Public School Latkor ka court application namta ki candidate ki bran kamon batkan pule namta ka post chong ka PGT Physics bat TGT ka sayan ka application process kade offline ka jaka posting kade Latkor Shillong Meghalaya kelas det kalong artrik ume arjar arhulai kertengga post PGT Physics nomor ki post kalong tangkawai kan pule ki kandet kite ki balpendep ya ka MSc lungba ka B.Ed na kano ka recognized university but asnem ka teaching experience haka secondary level kertengga post PGT sayan nomor ki post kalong tangkawai kan pule ki kandet kite ki balpendep ya ka MSc lungba ka B.Ed na kano ka recognized university but asnem ka teaching experience haka secondary level age limit katkum ka Government of Meghalaya nom kajingsew kalong katkum ka school nom kuno pan apply ki kandidat kilam apply lengba ka biodata bat test tinamal sya ka principal Assam Rifle Public School Latkor Shillong nyau khandai lai not iwainan mat kunjuru namta ka teaching job is ka Sihel ka district project coordination RMSA is ka Sihel district nong rimau ka khot ya ki eligible candidate namta ka post chong assistant teacher haka English but social science ha right lengshang SSA RMSA secondary school Moshna haka contract basis application process kade offline kaja ka posting kade is ka Sihel Meghalaya kelas set kalong live outreach ume arjar offline katengga post assistant teacher haka English nomor ki post kalong tangkawai kan pule ki kandidat kide ki balpendep ya ka BA lengba ka major subject haka English bat ka B.Ed katengga post assistant teacher haka social science nomor ki post kilong tangkawai kan pule ki kandidat kide ki balpendep ya ka BA lengba ka major subject kawai na kano ka subject jong ka social science bat ka B.Ed age limit ki kandidat kide bendon karta hapdeng ka kapra bat lai po arsnem karta age relaxation tansnem namta ki ST kandidat kajingsew namta ki kandidat ki bladep ya ka B.Ed kalong arpna hajar sibnai namta ki kandidat ki brangdon kapteng gajing pule ya ka B.Ed kalong arpu hajar paspat nyau sibnai kumna ban apply ki kandidat ki bran kamon batkan pule ki la ban submit ya ki application haka standard application format biodata kumju bat ka photocopy jong barok ki relevant document certificate duly attested bat kawai ka passport size haswa ka live outreach ume arjar arkhulai sha ka office jong ka district school education officer district project coordinator RMSA is ka Sihel nong rimau lai mkra Shillong